I'm speaking to a bunch of kids at Montgomery High School about real estate. You know what it is. It is Friday. I'm Voltaire Lepe, CEO of Lepe Timor Properties, top 1% agent in all of San Diego County. And this is my week in real estate. Let's talk about my week. It started last weekend. It was awesome. I worked a lot. And half the time I also spent with my mom. We went to go have some lunch. I spent with a childhood friend from elementary school, kinder, first and second. We went together and we were just having coffee, and plus his son, and we're just exchanging stories about back in the day and growing up. So that was really cool. My weekend was super chill. This week we had quarterly reviews with the team, and we do that way we could all grow and we understand where everyone's at in their work. I gained a lot of wisdom this week because I had a couple lunches, one with a mentor who has a lot of properties and a lot of money. And I like doing that so I could gain wisdom and learn how to do things. And the other we had lunch with a high-powered attorney since 1984, and it was really cool just to understand how San Diego has evolved as a city over the years when it comes to real estate and laws, and it was really cool. I gained a lot of wisdom for sure. I bought a property this week, added to my portfolio, which is really cool. Makes it number 40, so we're all Gucci there. And we had our personal budget workshop. It was cool. There's a lot of people that showed up, asked some good questions. Personal budget is where it's at. If you don't have a personal budget, it's really hard to create wealth without one. And I worked out, of course, physical workout, even though I didn't want to. I was dead tired. We did it anyways. My weekend plans, I'm gonna go talk to a bunch of kids at Montgomery High School about real estate. Hopefully someone in there gets inspired and pursues real estate in some way or fashion. I'm going to a baptism, baby Lanita, this weekend. That's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna have a work dinner. I'm excited about that. Get some food in my stomach. And then I'm flying out to Washington, D.C. to talk about Latino Wealth Building. So that's going to be cool. I hope that you guys have an amazing weekend, and we will talk later. Peace.